Hello, boys and girls. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. We have another word problem here. This one's a little bit different because, well, you'll see in a second. So let's read it. I'll read it to you, okay? Let's remember, let's slow down. Let's not rush into it and take our time, okay? So it says, Beth has 7 soccer balls. Okay, so already you want to visualize. Maybe you play soccer, maybe you've seen it on TV, but they're balls, right? Soccer balls. You want to visualize that. And her brother Daniel, again, his name doesn't really matter, right? As long as you know it's her brother, right? Somebody else. You can just call him D if you want. Daniel has 5 basketballs. So you're thinking about some soccer balls, some basketballs. What's the question? How many balls do they have all together? Okay, so what I would like you to do, okay, before I do anything, is take a few minutes and draw your picture that represents this problem that will help you to solve it. Okay, so it could be using 10 frames or a number line, drawing circles to represent the basketballs and the soccer balls. And then when you're done with that, come on back. You can either, you might have printed this out. If not, remember, you can just get a blank piece of paper, okay, draw a couple lines. You might write up here, soccer and b-ball for the word problem, right? You might, so here is going to be where you put your picture, all right, and then later we'll do our equation, okay? All right, so go ahead and do that, and then come back when you are done. All right, I'll see you in a minute. All right, welcome back, boys and girls. Screen looks a little bit different, right? I will share the link to what, this is a really cool app that you can use on your computer. But you can get 10 frames, right? All I do is I click up here, and I click on the 10 frame, and something shows up, okay? So if you drew a 10 frame, let's look at what 7 plus 5 more would be. So I'm going to put 7 soccer balls in here. 1, 2, 3. Actually, you know what? You know what you can do? I'm going to show you this trick. You see where it says 5 right here? If you grab 5 of them, it should, yep, puts in 5. And then I've got 7 soccer balls. Okay. And then now her brother, Daniel, has 5 basketballs. So let's add 5. Now I'm going to fill up my 10 frame because I know that is 10. So that's 3 basketballs, 4 basketballs, 5 basketballs. Okay, so the question is, how many basketballs do they have all together? All right, so we know that we have 7 here, 7 soccer balls, and then we added 5 more, but you can see here we've got 7 plus the 3 more gives us 10, right? 3 of the basketballs, but there's still 2 basketballs, so there's 2 here. So we've got 10 and 2 makes 12. All right, did you get 12? Yeah? All right, awesome. If you did not get 12, but you did your best and you are working through this, then your brain is growing, okay, and you're doing a great job. Your drawing may have looked different, and that is totally fine. So let's look at our equation now. So Beth had 7, all right, soccer balls, and her brother had 5, and we know that 7 plus 5 more equals 12. Okay, you may have drawn an open number line. You may have drawn 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balls, and then 3 more to get 10, and then 2 more to get 12, right? Here's 7, here's 5. We know that all together it is 12. So you may have done it differently than I did, which is totally fine as long as it helps you to understand and solve the problem. Okay, let's do one more. Let's get this one in here. I'll read it to you. It says, more different type of balls here. Marissa threw 8 snowballs. Okay, so already thinking snow, wintertime, I haven't seen snow in a long time. Like last winter, we didn't even have that much snow. So you're already visualizing what's happening. You want a picture or a movie in your head. Okay? So we've got Marissa threw 8 snowballs. Who did she throw them at? Did she throw them at one of her friends? Maybe her little brother. Her little brother threw 3 snowballs. How many snowballs did they throw in total? So what I would like you to do is, again, pause the video. Okay? I want you to draw a picture to help you solve it, to understand the problem and solve it, and then write your equation in. Once you have done that, please come on back and we will finish up together. Okay? If you didn't print this off, again, just need a blank piece of paper, draw a couple lines, and you're good to go. All right, I'll see you soon. All right, welcome back, guys. So I'm going to use this again to show how you might think about it. So Marissa has she threw 8 snowballs. So I'm going to put, it didn't work as well as I wanted, but I'm going to put 5 here. And then I know I need 3 more to make 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to add 3 more because her little brother threw 3 snowballs. So I'll make those black. So 1, 2, 3. So you can think of this problem as 8, right? So we've got 8. We had 8 here, okay? And then we added 2 snowballs from the 3 that her little brother drew. So that gives us 10. And then we have 1 left over. So 10 and 1 gives us 11. Right? Did you get 11 snowballs? Yeah, maybe you could do that in your head. That's great. Or if not, that's great too. So let's go back to our paper. Here we go. And let's put that away. So you can see what I did. You may have done 10 frames like I just showed you. You may have done a number line. So here you can see I have 8 snowballs. Now I added 2 first, just like I did with the 10 frames, to get to 10, because 10 is a friendly number. It's easy to work with in your brain. So instead of just jumping 8 plus 3, I broke it up into 2 and then 1 more. And I knew that 10 plus 1 more gave me 11. So I knew that 8 plus 3 gives me 11. And then up here, this is another way you might have done it. Marissa, M stands for Marissa. There's 8. B stands for her brother. Or maybe I'll put LB, little brother, little bro. There's 3 snowballs that he threw. And I knew that 8, 9, 10, 11 is equal to 11. So there it is. Here's your 11. So your equation should look like 8 plus 3 is the same as 11. All right, great job, boys and girls. I'll see you soon.